Hi there, this is Jo Baird of Jo's Crafty Hook and Jo's Crafty Hook Designs. And what we are going to be doing, first let me introduce the blanket. This is my Twinkle Twinkle Little Star baby blanket. The pattern will have 4 different sizes, but we are going to make a series of video tutorials on how to make and do each process for this design. We'll make the squares, we'll make the stars, then we'll make the squares, the hexagon squares. It's got 6 sides, so as you can see, it's going to be connected in a different way. We're going to do, I'm going to show you how to join them as well. So in today's video, I am going to show you how to do the star. So here is our star, and as you can see, it's a 6-pointed star. And then we will attach that to the hexagon square. But this is what we're going to make in today's video tutorial. Okay, so we need a 4.0 crochet hook, and then we need 3-ply or DK weight yarn. You don't have to do it like I did with multiple colors. You can do them in any color you want. Your squares can be solids where they're all the same color. Or you can do like I did mine, where you have 2 colors. Sorry, you have 2 colors. Okay, so let's get started on the star. So we are going to make our slip knot. Then we are going to chain 2, 1, 2, and then next we are going to put 12 single crochet in the first chain of our chain 2. Okay, so we're going to single crochet 12 in the first chain of our chain 2. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and as you can see, I am weaving my tail here in the single crochet round. This way you don't have to go back and cut all these little pieces of yarn at one time. I like to do it as you go. Okay, so I'm doing my single crochets over that long tail of yarn. 2, 4, got 6. Sorry. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay, so what you're going to do when you have your 12 single crochet, you are going to slip stitch in that first single crochet that you made. Okay, so you go under both loops of that single crochet. Let's get that little tail out of there. So you go under both loops, and then you pull your yarn through the first loop, and then you pull it through the second loop. Okay, and there you have your slip stitch. So next we are going to chain 1, and then we are going to place a single crochet in that same space. So you're going to single crochet in that first space, then you're going to chain 4. You're going to skip the next single crochet and then single crochet in the one following. Okay, then you chain 4, and then we're just going to repeat this around. We're going to skip 1 single crochet and then single crochet in the next and then chain 4. So you can just do that all the way around your circle. And then you have, oops, I need one more. Okay, so then you have 5 chains, okay? You come to the last 2 single crochet. Okay, so you have 5 chains here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what you're going to do is you're going to chain 4 again. And then you're going to slip stitch in that first single crochet that you made. Again, you go under both loops, yarn over, pull it through 1 loop, and then yarn over, pull it through the second loop. Okay. Now we are going to be working in our chain spaces, our chain 4 spaces. And then we're going to put our petals, star points, in each chain space around. So what you're going to do is you're going to chain 1, then you're going to place a single crochet in that first chain space, place a half double crochet, a double crochet, okay, and then we're going to add a triple crochet, and that is where you wrap your yarn around your hook twice and go in your chain, yarn over, pull it up, then you're going to yarn over, pull through 2 loops. You have 3 loops here. You're going to yarn over, pull through 2 loops, then you have 2 loops left, and you're going to yarn over, pull through those last 2 loops. Okay, and then you're going to do another triple crochet. Again, you yarn over twice, go through your chain, yarn over, pull through. You're going to yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. Okay, so you have your second triple crochet. And what you're going to be doing here is you are going to be making your picot on the top of that second triple crochet. Okay, so what you do here is you chain 3 up from that second triple crochet. So 1, 2, 3. And then what you're going to do is you are going to slip stitch under the loops here of the top of your triple crochet. Okay, so you're not going through these 2 loops. You're going to go through the top one and then the side right here. So you're going to slip stitch under these 2 loops here. Okay, and then you're going to pull through both loops, and then you're going to pull through your last loop, and there you've made your picot. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we are going to make another triple crochet. So you yarn over twice, go under the chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Okay, and then you're going to decrease your point here. So you're going to double crochet, then you're going to half double crochet, and then you are going to single crochet. So you're just repeating what you did here on the top part of the point. You're just reversing that, and that gives you your first star point. Okay, so we're going to move on to the next chain, and what you're going to do, you're just going to repeat what we did here for the first point. Okay, so you're going to single crochet in the next chain, half double crochet, double crochet, and then you're going to make your first triple crochet, okay, then you're going to make your second triple crochet,